Hi guys, this is Megan. I have been wearing cloth period pads for just about 4 years now. I used to always wear the disposable pads. I actually never wore tampons. I've always only used the pads recently. I'm actually liking these ones a lot better even. These are new ones. These are my newest pads that I've gotten. The HighOh company, I have been really liking them. I don't tell you guys I like any products that I don't actually love myself and go along with my values and my beliefs, but I really like this company. And just how these are made, even though they're not a lot different, I've actually been liking them a lot better than the original pads that I have that are the same size. So these are the HighOh brand again. This is the period starter kit. There's 6 pads in this kit, and it also comes with a waterproof bag to put them in, so if you're out and about, and you can either store them in this so that they're ready to use, or this is also a wet bag, so when you're done and they're dirty, you can put them in here and they won't like get the rest of your purse all bloody. So these also have the charcoal absorbency layer on the front. They're black, waterproof material on the back. They actually have 2 buttons here, so you can adjust different sizes. You can adjust it to this bigger one or the smaller one. But the main difference that I like is that, I don't know if you can see this here, but it has this layer that comes out and this isn't attached to the flap. So that keeps it so that this stays flat even when it's attached to your underwear. So you can see this is sewn here, that folds out like that. So this can stay flat. That is the main difference that I really like about this. This is black, so I'm not sure it's actually picking up in the camera. Whereas with these, I find that I can actually wear them longer because they stay flat and they don't start rubbing in areas as fast, and so I really like that about these. So anyway, thank you for watching this video.